Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So you can see that the euro is showing is really great rally recent time, so it's really outstanding action. Major analysts tell that probably some unwinding of the short positions on the euro currency, and many investors starts to buy euro to finance the cover trade in the purchasing of the high yield bonds of the emerging markets, and they tell that euro usually works as the major currency for borrowing. But currently we have checked the CFTC data, it's Commitment of Traders report, but no big shifts in the sentiment yet has happened. Maybe we will, but the last data stands on the 18th of the August. Maybe we will get something on the data from the last week. Still, currently market is moving higher, and it stands just 100 pips lower than our minimum target. Recall that the background of our analysis that we have prepared a couple of weeks ago are stop grabbers that we have on the weekly chart, and the minimum target of these grabbers stand at this top is 1466. So, except if beyond this top, we also have the 618 extension of this A, B, C bottom D pattern. Also, guys, 1467 is the former yearly pivot support one that has broken previously, and market right now is returned right back up. Also, guys, in general, this will be very strong resistance. This is also the fib level. This also will be the weekly overbought, and currently we have a bit tricky situation, because from the one point of view the 1467 is very strong resistance, and this is minimal target for grabbers. Grabbers do not suggest that market can't continue to move higher, but the perspective, the target usually is limited by the former top. And as soon as market will take it out, this top, the mission of the grabbers will be over. And we will have to search for another pattern that could get us new direction, new targets. But on the daily time frame chart, guys, we have the butterfly pattern that suggests that market should continue to move to the 116. And that is a bit deep penetration of this area. This will be even sensible. This will be really even visible on the weekly chart. It's really 200 pips is not small action beyond this area. And how we could combine these patterns? Well, guys, here I see that only two possibilities to do this. The first scenario is, for example, if market will trigger the stops that have been placed above this top, and by this action market could show some kind of this spike up just for a moment to reach the target, and then return, shows the fast return right back down. So some kind of the wash and rinse on the stop grabbing action. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, taking in consideration recent rally, and that market opens on the low, close on the bottom, or on the top, opens on the bottom, close on the top, and so on. It's really fast acceleration. I can't exclude that market could climb, could creep slightly inside of the daily on the weekly overbought as it was in April. So if you'll take a look at the weekly chart, you will see that in April market has crept inside the overbought significantly. And here is probably could happen again as market could hit 116. Because in the normal situation, it's very difficult to suggest that market just will pass through the 1460 very strong resistance as it now exists, continue move to complete the butterfly and then turn down. This usually doesn't happen. So what we could do in the current situation, the current circumstances. First of all, for those of you who have taken position right here 2 weeks ago, you could keep this position until market will hit the target. Just don't forget to manage it, move your stops and so on. For others who do not have the long position right now, there are two possible tactics. The first tactic is the conservative tactic. It suggests that market should show some bounce, and this bounce probably will be meaningful, significant bounce after it will hit major target. Maybe it will happen from the 1460 area. It will be very strong. Maybe this will happen after market will complete the butterfly. But sooner or later, market will meet some significant barrier and will show significant retracement down. And that will be the chance to take the long position at the reasonable levels and take part in the further upward continuation. Because currently, guys, we have the signs, we have the patterns that point on the possible further upward action above 1460, above 1470. That's the bit longer term perspective, longer term tactic, but this also will be safer, and you probably will get the entry on the better levels. The aggressive tactics suggest with the attempt to take scalp long position on intraday charts until market will not reach the target around 1470 area. So on any minimal bounce on inside on the intraday charts, you could try to take the long position and then move your stop to break even and wait what will happen. Either you will take profit right at this target, or maybe you will wait in the reaction of the stop grab and maybe market will accelerate right to the 116 area. So that's the second question. The first question, how to take the position. So other words, we call an aggressive tactics the one that we have tried to apply within the recent trading sessions. I recall that on Thursday and on Friday we have tried to get the bread and butter on the intraday chart, but we haven't got it. But right now, chances really exist because take a look. Market has completed 1618 ABCD pattern on the daily chart. And if you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you'll see that market also has completed this ABCD pattern. So some minor retracement probably could happen. In this case, we probably will count on the minor retracement because you can see that the signal is much faster than AB, and it suggests that retracement hardly will be deeper. Also, guys, on the daily chart, market is not at overbought. It still has some room till the overbought level, and it's already has broken through all fib levels. So, in fact, market right now stands at some sort of the free space, and if retracement down will be, it probably should not be too deep. That's why we will be watching for minor 3-8 retracement at 1245 area approximately. This will be the 3-8 fib support of the whole move up, small stress and leg up. Also, guys, take a look that this level will be accompanied with a weekly pivot point, and we know that the market has the tendency to test the weekly pivot point within the week. That's why we think that this level is not bad for a possible taking the long position. Also, guys, take a look. The thrust here is still very nice, and this is absolutely suitable thrust for a possible bread and butter buy Jordan directional pattern. So that's what we'll be watching for in the short-term perspective, maybe on Monday and Tuesday. If we will get it, we could try to take the long position here, 1246, with the perspective of the 200 pips above the 1460. So not bad in general trade. And when the market will get there, and if it will get there, you could make the additional decision what you would like to do, because we already will have the product position. So there we will take a look what behavior market will show, and then make the decision whether to take profit or we could wait a bit more. So it's not very important right now. So that being said, currently the upward action probably will continue, and our work will be focused on the possibility to take the long position, scalp long position based on Jordan directional pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart. Let's hope that we will get it, because the perspective of this trade will be really not bad.